Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited traffic to your Clickbank offers, products, build a massive list from 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, and even 100,000 subscribers very quickly and very fast so you can start making money. Remember, the magic number for building a list is 10,000 subscribers if you do this within couple of months to 1 year, because if you go above that, then your list starts to get old and you're not going to make money. All right, now before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and you're interested in learning how to make money online, how to promote other people's products, how to drive traffic, how to generate a big list and generate leads, how to create campaigns and affiliate marketing, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. So let's dive into this video. Now you're seeing a screen here. This is affiliate marketing. This is what you call affiliate marketing. This is just one system, and I have crossed $116,000 in commissions. Now if you want to learn how this system works, how this one system has generated me over $116,000 in commissions, then all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. Check it out. Okay, if you can't find the link, then you could see that down here there's a website address just below this screenshot. Okay, below the number you could see the website address. You could open up a new tab and go to this website address, and you could get more information on this, how this system works. Basically, this program has been created by my mentor, who I met in 2016, and since then I have never looked back. Okay, I have generated multiple six figures, which means multiple $100,000 in commissions with different programs and different systems. And this is one of the systems. I'm showing you live screenshot of the amount of money I have made with this program, with this one program, over $116,000 in commissions. Now if you want to make money like this and you want all the selling to be done for you, where you don't have to do any kind of selling, then click the link in the description box below this video, visit my link and go and watch that video. It's going to give you more information and teach you and show you step by step how this entire system works. Okay, now let's talk about traffic. What is traffic? Traffic means a visitor to your website. Now you could have a great website, you could have the great affiliate offer, but if you don't know how to get traffic, how to get people to visit that website, you're not going to make any money. So I'm going to teach you a quick way to generate traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do it the right way so you could start generating traffic today and you could start building a list. Remember, the money is in the list. Okay, just a couple of days ago I saw one person on Facebook. He was sharing a screenshot. Okay, and the screenshot was shared, two screenshots. One was a couple of weeks ago. In that screenshot he shared how he generated over $1.4 million in commissions last year in 2023, all from his list. All the traffic came from his list. Okay, and then just a couple of days ago he shared another screenshot, right? And a screenshot shared where he generated 16,000 clicks in just 72 hours from his list. Okay, I think he has a list of 50,000 subscribers. So he sent out an email, and one of his offer, whether, I don't know if it was his offer or it was an affiliate offer, he generated over 16,000 unique clicks to that offer within 72 hours. Now think about it, just let that sink inside you. 16,000 clicks. Now imagine you had an offer, a Clickbank offer, where you can press one button, the send button, and you generate 16,000 visitors to that affiliate offer. Do you think you're going to make money? Of course you're going to make 2,000, 3,000, and even $4,000 in a single day in commission. This is the power of list building. Okay, so let's just dive into this and let me show you the traffic source that I normally recommend to all my people, all my viewers, to build a list very fast, very quickly. Like I said, you need to be persistent, you need to take massive action, and you need to continue to drive traffic to build that list until you get to at least minimum 10,000 subscribers, because 10,000 subscribers is the magic number. That's when you start making money, and you need to get to that 10,000 subscribers quickly as possible. very, very quickly. Because if you take long, so for instance, you just bought traffic today and then you buy traffic after 6 months, obviously it's going to take you a couple of years to get to 10,000 subscribers. You're not going to make money in that sense because your list is going to get older, right? So the traffic source I recommend is called Udemy. You could find some great people on this traffic network where you can go out there and start buying traffic. Now all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. When you join through my link, you're going to get a personal message from me welcoming you, and you will able to ask me any questions on this network. And also when you create your own landing page, you could come up here, send me the link, and you could tell me to review it, and I could give you some great suggestions. Okay, so how do you buy traffic from there? Now remember, before you buy traffic, there's a couple of things. First of all, you need a landing page. Okay, if you don't know what a landing page looks like, a landing page will look something like this. Okay, so people will come here, all right, they enter the email, they click on submit, and they are redirected to the offer. Now to build a landing page, first you need to choose a right offer. So you could go to Clickbank, JVZoo, Digistore24, Warrior Plus. You could go all to these networks and you could build that quick. You could get that offer, and then you want to build a landing page around that offer. Okay, now how long does it take? It depends how you're building it. So if you know how to do HTML coding, you could do this yourself. You could go to a website like Odesk or Fiverr and tell someone to build this for you. Okay, they're going to charge you. Or you could do what I do. All right, I use a software called ClickFunnels that has drag and drop funnel building system inside. Okay, so it has templates ready made, done for you, templates that you can use to build these landing pages. So you just have to drag and drop, make a couple of changes. In 5 to 10 minutes your landing page is going to be ready. Now ClickFunnels do come with a free 14-day trial. That link for the free 14-day trial is going to be my link in the description box below this video. Okay, all the links are going to be there. You could check it out. You could join for free 14-day trial, start building your list landing page, start driving traffic, start making money, and then you could decide whether you want to continue on it. Remember, business is all about taking risk. Business is all about investing in yourself, in education, in programs and systems. If you're going to have a freebie mindset, you can't make money. Remember, billionaires spend billions to make billions. That's how it works. All the billionaires, they spent billions to make billions. So you need to learn how to invest in your business, in education. Yes, it's a risk. You don't know what's going to be the return. You don't know if you're going to make any money. You don't know if you're going to be successful, but this is how it all works. If you don't take that risk, you're not going to move forward. Okay, so if you want to join ClickFunnels through my link, the link is going to be in the description box below this video. You could get your free 14-day trial. That's what I use. I've been using that for 5 years and I love it because it allows me to build different type of landing pages quickly within 5 to 10 minutes, quickly send some good amount of traffic and test which one's going to be the winner. Okay, so you need a landing page. Second, you need an autoresponder. Autoresponder is a place where you're going to communicate with your subscribers. Okay, and when you communicate with your subscribers, you could go out there and you can basically, let me just show you, okay, quickly, what is an autoresponder. So there are different type of autoresponders. Okay, this is an autoresponder here, get response. Okay, and you could come here, you could create your autoresponder account. All right, and then when you build a list, you want to connect your autoresponder with your landing page. So when anyone enters their email address here, guess what? They're going to be straight away stored into your autoresponder. And when they're stored into your autoresponder, you get to actually communicate and press that send button and send out emails. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, and then you need traffic. You need to drive traffic. Okay, now the best traffic source in my opinion is PPC, pay per click. But pay per click requires a lot of testing, okay, and a lot of money to invest to, and you need to be ready to lose a lot of money as well. Okay, so that's why I recommend going for this traffic network called Udemy. Udemy will allow you to tap into ready-made traffic where people send email on your behalf, and in return you start building a list rapidly fast. Okay, so let me just show you how to quickly find these people. Okay, like I said, my links are going to be in the description box below this video. And by the way, if you're getting some value, then please smash the subscribe button, click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a brand new video, you're the first person to get notified that I came up with a video, and you can watch it to get a lot of value and start taking some massive action. Okay, so once you have joined Udemy, by the way, joining Udemy is free. Okay, it is free to join Udemy. So when you click the link below, you could register your free account with this traffic network. Okay, and then you just want to come to buy solos. All right, and then I'm just going to quickly show you. Let's just go for this first person here. So you can see he's got positive 2092, and if you just hover your mouse here, all right, so let's just click on it. Okay, and if you hover your mouse here, it gives you all the information what this means. All right, so this number is quite high, so if this number is higher, it means it's a good sign that he's got a lot of buyers. Okay, when you come here, it gives you more information. The maximum amount of clicks this person could send is up to 1,000 clicks. If you buy traffic from this person, he will start delivering tomorrow. Then you need to choose which traffic, or where do you want the traffic from. If you just want English speaking countries, you want to select this, and only top tier countries. You want to put this prime filter as well, making sure you're getting quality traffic. And the big thing you need to do is making sure you have a tracking link placed inside, making sure you're not getting bot clicks, fake clicks, browser clicks. So in that case, I would normally recommend using ClickMagick. Okay, so how do I know if this guy's traffic, if this person's traffic is going to be quite good for me? So let me just scroll down, let me see what he has to offer, let me see if he's giving more information. Okay, I can see he's got a screenshot down here. Someone posted he made $1,825. You can see some Warrior Plus sales. Okay, now is this his own account? Okay, yes, this is his own account, basically from, okay, from his list, according to what he has to say. So let's just look at some of the results. It looks quite impressive. If this is true, that's the main part. We just don't know if it's true. We don't know, we can't verify this. Okay, so let's just scroll down and let's see. This is going to be more guaranteed to find out if this person's got very good traffic. Okay, so let me scroll down and let me show you. We want to look for sales. You can see, look at this, no sale, no sale, no sale, etc. But we want to look for something that has sales in the last 30 days, minimum 5 unique people. So let's scroll down. Okay, this guy generated a sale, all right, from 200 visitors. Got sale one, that's number one. Number two, another person. All right, number three, okay, that's the same person. Number four, that's 4 people. Okay, we want to have minimum 5 people. So 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, this person is a big no for me. Here's why. Because you could see that in the last 30 days, I can't see got sales in the last 30 days. It's going to like number 6, number 7. Now this guy is repeated. All right, no comment. What do you mean by no comment? No comment. All right, sounds a bit of. Always, I've got a very good amount of sign-ups and sales. Thank you. Okay, but this is in 5 February. We want something, but that is in the last 30 days. Okay, so let's just go back and let's look for someone else. All right. All right, let's just keep scrolling. Okay, let's just check this person out from United States. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is looking so far good. If I scroll down, we could see got some screenshots here, but we're going to verify that in a moment. Let's just scroll down and let's see got sales. Okay, so I've got sales on the 29th of April 2024. That's 1, 2, 3. All right, keep 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so in the last 30 days we could see, okay, that's the same person. Okay, we got in the last 30 days we could see that 5 different people did generate traffic and generated sales. So we might want to give this person a test drive. Okay, all right, so when you want to start buying traffic from this person, you always want to start off with minimum 300 clicks, okay? Don't just get crazy and start going for 1000 clicks. You want to get over with 300 clicks, and then you want to test your way up. So what you want to see, first of all, you want to see how many opt-ins you get. So you should get a minimum 30% opt-in rate, so about 130 subscribers. And then you want to have email follow-ups in your autoresponder, minimum of 10 days, okay? 7 to 10 days of autoresponder. And this autoresponder is going to kick in and it's going to tell the people to check out the link, check out your email, check out the affiliate offer. And then after 10 days, you want to see if you made any money. Even if you made one sale only, that is more than enough to come back and buy more traffic from this person, okay? Even though you didn't make profit, you're not in profit, you lost, still, even if you just generated one sale, you just want to come back and buy more traffic. So you want to then go for 500 visitors, okay? If you made money again, even if it's just one sale, you want to buy 750 visitors. If you made money again, then you want to buy 1000 visitors. And this is how you're going to continue to buy traffic over and over and over again and build your list rapidly fast to get to 10,000 subscribers, because 10,000 subscribers is the magic number to making 5 figures and 6 figures online, okay? So you want to get to 10,000 subscribers so you can start making a lot of money, a lot of commissions online, and you have enough money to reinvest back. So remember, whenever you make any money, take out 20% to 30% out of that money and reinvest it back into traffic to build that list and grow that list, okay? So the more you invest, the more money you're going to make and the more return you're going to get. So the bigger list you have a bigger chance to make a lot of money. So you want to get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, now a lot of people say, oh, I spent about $200 and I only made back $57. I lost money. The answer is you didn't lose money, because your focus is not the sale. Your focus is list building. So when you spent $200, you got 130 people in your email list. Some of those people are definitely buyers, real buyers, okay? That's going to buy your product over and over and over again, okay? So 130 people in your list, okay? And you're going to continue to promote different offers, so you haven't lost any money. Your focus is list building. You want to get to 10,000 subscribers, remember that. So that shouldn't make you give up saying, I spent $200, I only made $57. Yes, in the beginning you're going to feel like that you're losing money, but in reality you're not losing any money, because you're building a list, okay? And the bigger list you're going to have, then eventually you're going to make all that money back when you start promoting different products, different systems, different opportunities, and start sending broadcast messages. Remember that. Why did I say you just, even if you just made one sale, you want to buy traffic again? Because that just proves that this person has quality traffic and buyer traffic, okay? So that's why we want to make sure that we make at least one sale. If we didn't make any sale, that doesn't mean that this person's traffic is not good. It's probably because your landing page is not good, the offer is not good. It could be any reason, but we want to stay on the safe side. That's why I'm saying, even if you just got one sale, not straight away, after the email follow-up sequence has completely finished. So for 10 days, so you're going to wait for 10 days. If it's 10 days, if it's 15 days, you're going to wait for 15 days. Once it's finished, then you want to see if you made any money. Even if you just generated one sale, you want to come back and buy traffic again, and keep on doing that until you get to 10,000 subscribers. Because once you get to 10,000 subscribers, you're going to see a lot of money coming in, a lot of commissions coming in, and you're going to make a lot of money, okay? So I hope this makes sense. If you have questions, just leave a comment for me, let me know, and I will answer your questions if you like. If you're confused and you're not understanding what I'm trying to say here, okay? And if you want a fast, rapid success blueprint to get to multiple 5 figures and 6 figures online, and you want to make money just like this that you're seeing on the screen, $116,000 in one system, then link in the description box below this video. Check it out, my friend. I am 100% sure, and I promise you're not going to be disappointed, okay? You need to check this out. This is a brand new secret way of making money online, promoting other people's products, okay? So this is very, very powerful, and a lot of people are making money online. One person just made over $80,000 in commissions last month in April using this one system. Okay, so this works, it's real, and you can become part of this domination plan and journey by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.